Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the mForex Keltner EMA indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the mForex Keltner EMA indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 29 different strategies with a total of 6 winners. We have also tested a total of 408 indicators with a total of 168 winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 168 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. Alright, today's indicator is the mForex Keltner EMA indicator, and you can see it here on screen. Seems to be a few things happening with this, but the setup on this is actually really simple. So we're going to ignore the big red line running through the center. What we're going to pay attention to is the blue channel and the green red line running through price action. And what we're looking for is when the green line breaks up above the blue channel or the upper band, upper blue line here, or we are looking for when the green line breaks down below the channel or below the lower blue line. And then we are going to go either long or short. So if it breaks up above, we're going to go long. If it breaks down below, we are going to go short. Pretty simple setup, not too much to it. Let's go ahead and get on with testing and see what we get. Alright, so we get our first signal right. Let's see. Looks like right here on that one. Measure this out, see if we got to take profit. Looks like we were barely able to squeeze out take profit on that one, but we got there nonetheless. Go ahead and move forward here. Looks like we take a swipe at the lower band there. There we go. You just tap it easier to see. We'll move it down below here. Looks like we take a swipe at the lower band right there. But I don't think, nope, we did not actually break the lower band on that one. So go ahead, continue forward here. All right, we got to break it to the upside. It's going to be, let's see here. I think that one Let's just double check our coordinates over here. You can see as I hover over the candle, it looks like, and so it looks like the first number is going to be the top band, the middle number is going to be the middle band, and the last number is going to be the lower band. And so if we look there, we can see that the green line was at 6964, and the top blue line was at 6961. So we did get the break officially there on that candle there, and we were able to get to take profit once again. Go ahead and move on here. All right, we get a break to the downside right there on that one, and fairly confident we got to take profit there without having to measure it out, but we'll measure it just to be safe. Continue forward. Let's see. Looks like we got really close to breaking right here, but I don't think it did. 6755 was the green line. 6755. So 67555 was the lower blue line. 67556 was the green line. So it did not actually break on that one. It broke over here on this one right there, and you can see that that one got us to take profit there on a nice heavy drop to the downside. Go ahead and keep moving forward here. Actually, what I'll do is go ahead, fast forward just a little bit of the video here, that way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up at the end of the year. Alright, so we are at the end of the year now. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, you'll get access to the Patreon only channel, where we're posting some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admins and regular members post regular, almost everyday trade analysis, market analysis, where they're putting up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly where they're entering and exiting, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. As I said in the beginning of the video, you'll also get the full list of indicators that we've tested, shows which ones were winners, which ones were losers, and their win rates. And a new thing that I've been doing here recently is I put together an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we've tested, and so you'll get that full list as well. Shows their winners, which ones were winners and losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those videos. So a lot of great benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. So let's see here. Let's back this up a little bit here. Obviously, we don't need to do too much adding to figure out this one is going to be a winner, but let's count them out just so we do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have 6 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 winners. So not too bad. Definitely wish it gave us more signals in 1 year's time, and I wish it got us in a little bit sooner on some of these. It seems like there were a few of these instances where it got us in right at the very end of a pretty decent solid trend move. And so, but for now, it's going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to Tradingview, and if you use that link to Tradingview to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.